Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. I am doing first chapter relations and functions. Already few exercises I have completed in my previous videos, previous class. Now I will continue that topic. Okay, so now I have to do exercise 1.5. So before doing that exercise 1.5, few concepts are there to do that exercise sums. That is composition of functions. Let a function from A to B and a function f from A to B and g from B to C be two functions. Then the composition of f and g denoted by g of f. So this O is called g of f. We have to read it like this. Is defined as the function g of f of x is equal to, we have to write it like this, that is g of f of x. O, that one within brackets you have to write this function f of x for all x belongs to E. So this is for two functions. This is for two functions f and g. We will get like this. Now for composition of three functions, we will take three functions, that is function f from A to B, g from B to C and h from C to B be three functions. So we get two new functions, that is f of g of h and f of g of h. Okay, so always composition of function is not commutative, but composition of three functions is associative functions. Okay, first one is linear function. A function from R to R is defined, then f of x is equal to mx plus c. So this is the general form of the linear function. F of x is equal to mx plus c, where m not equal to 0. For this we will get a graph as a straight line. So f of x, this is a graph of f of x is equal to x. Then next one is quadratic function. The general form of the quadratic function is f of x. This is the general form of the quadratic equation. That is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where now a not equal to 0. So we will get a graph like this. The graph is f of x is equal to x squared. So this shape we will tell it as parabola. Then next one is cubic function. A function from R to R is defined, then f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0. For that we will get a graph like this. So this graph is for f of x is equal to x cube. Then the last one is reciprocal function, that is f of x is equal to 1 by x, that is the reciprocal. So we will get a graph like this. So based on these we will be doing the exercise sums. Now we will do exercise sums. So exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5 we will do sums. So using the functions f and g given below, find f of g and g of f. Check whether f of g is equal to g of f. So two sums are there. First I will do the first sum. In that f of x is given as x minus 6 and g of x is equal to x squared. So first we will find f of g. F of g. So this means f of g of x. Like this it has to be written. So f of, what is g of x value given? G of x value is given as x squared. Okay, now we have to find, that is, listen carefully, f of x value is given as x minus 6. So if we are having the function for x, that is x minus 6. So here instead of x we are having x squared. So wherever we are having x, we have to substitute x squared. That's all. So here we have x. So there we will be substituting x squared minus 6. So wherever x is there, we will be substituting x squared. So f of g is x squared minus 6. Okay. Then next one is g of f. So g of f is equal to g of f of x. So this is equal to g of f of x is what? F of x is given as x minus 6. So f of x value we will write it here. Whatever function is there, below that we will write that value given. So f of x is given as x minus 6. So g of x, g of x is given as x square. So wherever x is there in g of x, it is x square. So here we have x, instead of x we are having x minus 6. So we have to write this as x minus 6 the whole square. If we are having x, that is x square. G of x is x square. So instead of x we are having x minus 6. So that will be x minus 6 the whole square. So since this is a minus b the whole square, this has to be expanded with the help of that identity. So a squared minus 2ab plus b square. So this is g of f value. So this is f of g value and this one is g of f value. So already I told that composition of function is not commutative. That is, the values won't be equal. So f of g is not equal to g of f. Okay. So this is the first sum. Then second sum is f of x value is given as 2 by x and g of x value is given as 2x squared minus 1. So same way f of g and g of f we have to find. So f of g is f of g of x. So f of g is f of g of x. So this one will be, this is equal to f of g of x value is 2x squared minus 1. Okay, so if f of x is there, that x will be in the denominator. In the numerator, 2 is there. Like that, it is defined 2 by x. If x is there, it is 2 by x. So instead of x, we are having 2x squared minus 1. So f of g is 2 by 2x squared minus 1. So this is f of g. Then g of f is g of f of x. G of f of x. So this is equal to g of f of x value is given as 2 by x. So f of x value, this here f of x is there. So there we will be substituting that value. So f of x is given as 2 by x. So g of x is 2x squared. So if x is there, 2x squared minus 1. So here instead of x we are having 2 by x. So 2 into 2 by x the whole square. Wherever x is there, 2x squared minus 1 you have to write, that is. So here instead of x we are having 2 by x. So this one will be 2 by x the whole squared minus 1. Okay. So this is equal to 2 into 4 by x squared minus 1. So this one will be 8 by x squared minus 1. So 8 minus x squared by x squared. So this is g of f. So f of g is 2 by 2x squared minus 1 and g of f is 8 minus x squared by x squared. So this is f of g and this is g of f. So f of g is not equal to g of f. Now third sum. F of x is given as x plus 6 by 3 and g of x is given as 3 minus x. So we will find f of g first. So f of g of x. So f of g of x is given as 3 minus x. So here f of x is x plus 6 by 3. So here f of 3 minus x is 3 minus x plus 6 by 3. So we will get this as 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus x by 3. So this is f of g. Then g of f is g of f of x. So f of x value is, we will write this g, f of x value is x plus 6 by 3. So g of x is equal to 3 minus x value, instead of x value, x plus 6 by 3 is there. Now this has to be simplified. So when we take LCM, 3 is the denominator. So 3 3s are 9, minus x minus 6. So we will get the value as 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 minus x by 3. So this is the g of f value. So this is f of g value. So f of g value is 9 minus x. G of f value is 3 minus x by 3. So this is 9 minus x by 3. This is 3 minus x by 3. So f of g is not equal to g of f. Then fourth sum. Next sum is fourth one. F of x is equal to 3 plus x. G of x is equal to x minus 4. So this one first we will take f of g. So this is f of g of x. So f of g of x is x minus 4 and f of x minus 4 will be 3 plus x minus 4. So we will get x minus 1. So f of g is x minus 1. Then g of f. So we will write it as g of f of x. So f of x value is 3 plus x, g of 3 plus x. So this one will be 3 plus x minus 4. So we will get x minus 1. So this is g of f. So here we are asked to check whether f of g is equal to g of f. So for this sum we will get f of g is equal to g of f. Okay. Then fifth sum. F of x is 4x squared minus 1. G of x is 1 plus x. So f of g is equal to f of g of x is equal to f of g of x is 1 plus x. F of x is, when x is there, 4x squared minus 1. So this one will be 4 into 1 plus x the whole squared minus 1. Okay, so this has to be simplified. So 4 into a squared plus 2ab plus 2ab. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus 1. So this is equal to 4 plus 8. This 4 I am multiplying it inside the bracket. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8x plus 4x squared minus 1. So we will get 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. So this is f of g value. So f of g value is 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. Then g of f. So g of f is g of f of x. So g of f of x value is 4x squared minus 1. So g of x is equal to 1 plus x. So g of 4x squared minus 1 is 1 plus 4x squared minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. We will get g of f value as 4x squared. So here f of g is not equal to g of f. Okay. So in this, all these 5 sums, we are asked to check f of g is equal to g of f. That means f of g of x is equal to g of f of x. So in this sum, f of g of x is not equal to g of f of x. In this sum, f of g of x is equal to g of f of x. And in this sum, fifth sum, f of g of x is not equal to g of f of x. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.